What up guys, Pabs Moneybags here, back with another sneaker unboxing. Unfortunately today we have to start on a bad note. This is our box today. It's So the shoes that are in this box today are the Nike Lunar Charge Essential, which I got from Finish Line, and I assume they're the ones that packed it up. Point is, well, the knife isn't even necessary because it's early. Okay, so what happened is I got home from work, and my family had already put the box inside the house, right? So I get home from work, and I start, I'm like, oh, the shoes are here. I gotta do the unboxing and whatnot. And then I see that it's open, so I asked them, do you guys open the box? And they hit me with a, nah, it was already like that. I'm like, what you mean? One of these flaps was already like this. The tape was still here. But it seems as if somebody tried to rip open this one just to see what was inside. And again, the box is just trash. Like, it's all damaged. But that's not even the worst part. The worst part is that the shoebox itself is also damaged. Like, it's literally open. You can see it tearing apart over there in the back. So yeah, the unboxing got ruined because I had opened the box already to make sure that the shoes were even in there, and then the box, it's ruined itself. So I apologize for that. So here's the shoes. the paper isn't even covering them. Look at it. Fam, they did me nasty with this, fam. So these are supposed to have the Lunar Sole outsole, or the Lunar Foam that came in the Lunar Epic. I think that's what the other one is called. I'm actually really interested in seeing how this shoe looks on feet, because it's got this design to it. It's got this really weird design to it that I like getting in. I love, like a slip-on, that's what I'm trying to say. I love this slip-on feature on it. But let's go ahead and put this one to the side. Let's go ahead and put the other one to the side in the trashy ass box. Make it more trashy. Anyways, so here they are. Again, I don't think I had seen this shoe in person, and the only reason I got these was because I had this coupon from Finish Line, so I wanted to use it, and I found, but I didn't want to buy like super expensive shoes because I do have a couple coming. They're a little bit more expensive. So yeah, I didn't want to buy super expensive shoes or super expensive sneakers. And then I saw these were on sale for like $45, I think they were on Finish Line without no coupon. According to the damage box, the retail is $110. So these are supposed to be cheaper to begin with. So I just found them a lot cheaper. It made them a lot cheaper with a coupon. So let's go ahead and get started looking at these. Once again, these do have the Lunar, I think that's what, I don't remember what the specific name of this outsole is. There's like this 3D touch to the outsole though, where once again, these pads with the patterns stand up from this highlighter green color. You do have two Nike swooshes over here on the bottom. But then going back to the top, nothing really on the toe box. It is a knitted toe box, no fly knit on these. No Nike swoosh on the inside or neither one of the shoes. You have this small one on the outside though of both the shoes as well. Right below the Nike swoosh though, you do have Nike formed by the outsole, midsole. The Lunar Epic does this too with the outsole. A picture should be appearing right now, but it doesn't create nothing. Like, it's literally just the lines showing up in the midsole, outsole. But then on this one, you do have, or they do shape the Nike word on the outside of the shoe, which I think is a pretty cool detail. This is honestly one of the reasons why I bought this shoe, because there was another pair of sneakers, I mean, that was also cheaper, but just this specific detail is what made me buy it. I'm just like, nah, it says Nike on the side, I gotta get those. And these lines, once again, are forming the midsole outsole, because if you press on it, you can see them, the lines, you can see them coming closer together. I'm gonna show you in the close-up for sure. Over here on the heel area, you have Nike on the left shoe, and you have the swoosh on the right shoe. And then that's really it for the heel. You had a bit on this specific colorway. You got a little bit of splatter paint going on the edge. From the heel to like the middle part of the upper. The lacing system in these is also kind of interesting. I don't know how this works, to be honest. More like this reminds me of the Presto lacing system a bit, but at the same time, it's a really weird lacing system because you got these two holes that you don't really have to use. And I just noticed this, but these have details on the laces. You guys know That's one of my favorite things to see in shoes. So you only have a little bit more Nike branding on the insole, so no big deal on that. I think that's it for the details. Nothing on the tongue. I'm interested in seeing how that midsole, compared to like the React or the Zoom Fly, how comfortable it feels. But yeah, really interesting design. The silhouette, the lacing system, everything kind of appealing to me. I don't know, really, I'm curious to see how these look on feet. But right now though, it's a moment of truth. Let's go ahead and see how these look on feet. But anyways guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to keep on watching more sneaker unboxings. I do have a couple more coming, so stay tuned for that. But once again, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are amazing. Peps Money Bags. Out.